I just want to take a little bit of time off here to show you my new brand, Just Damn Merch. And the design is like this. I don't know if you can see this very well. This is the Rising Sun logo, the JDM logo for the Just Damn merch. So we keep the JDM abbreviation in the family also for the merchandise. The heather gray color with the black brim, white shirt with the Just Damn merch logo on here, of course. Boom, there'll be one of those. So these merchandise will be available at my store, justdamnmerch.com. And also I would like to give a big shout out to my friend Norma Fleten over at Fletens Decor. He helped me print this design. They do basically anything within like stickers, liveries, banners, any type of a visual component that you need for your car, your boat, your bicycle, even on your house. If you want anything, you need anything and stuff like this, or like for a company or anything like this, make sure to check them out because they are the best in their business. And definitely they're very professional and they have the best equipment, everything. So check them out, link in the description. Thanks for your time. Here's back to the video.